They coming. Are you the one I hit on my hand, buddy? Hey, ladies. Take, yeah, well, that's right. Yes, that's a young boy. Yes, that's beautiful. I have maybe 130 because I have 2 cage. This is the old cage right now. Maybe next month or next 2 months, I'm gonna take that cage out. Got the new cage, they're gonna be better. This cage is a 2011, so it's old. I gotta take it out, man, you know. Got the new one. See? I don't want no more baby in this cage no more. I have a 11 baby. You know, that's a beautiful. This one is sick. Hey ladies, what's up?